In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in and log out of Character AI in Chrome. If you're new to Character AI or you just want a quick refresher, this process is very simple once you know where to click. I'll walk you through both signing in and signing out clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to character.ai. Once the site loads, look for the login option on the page and click it. After that, you'll be taken to the sign-in screen where you can enter your login credentials. Make sure you type your information carefully so there are no errors, especially if your browser doesn't autofill it for you. Once your details are entered, complete the login process to access your account. If you're using a shared computer or a public device, it's always a good idea to double check that you've signed into the correct account and that you're comfortable with the browser saving your information. On personal devices, saved login details can be convenient, but on shared devices, it's better to be more cautious for privacy and security. Now let's go over how to log out. Once you're signed in to Character.ai, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. Click on that icon to open your account options. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This will open the settings menu for your account. Inside the settings menu, scroll down to the bottom until you see the logout option. Click Log Out, and that will sign you out of your Character.ai account. Logging out is especially important if you're on a computer that other people can access. It helps protect your account and keeps your activity private. If you ever have trouble finding the logout option, just remember that it's located inside settings, which you can access from the profile icon in the lower left corner. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to log into Character AI through Chrome and how to safely log out when you're done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.